let's look at another category, marketing, social media management. Description. You want to create, schedule and manage posts across LinkedIn, Facebook and Twitter. Engage with followers by responding to comments and messages. The tools needed which you could possibly use for that is Hootsuite and Canva. These are for designing your post. The VAs can do that for you, and so can we. We can do social media, marketing, management as well. Okay, so you want to talk to the VA and say, this is what the desired outcome is for the company. I want you to consistently post 3 times a week, increase engagement, and I want you to increase by 10% growth of followers over the next quarter. So like our Facebook page, we need it to grow by 10%, for example. Blogs, writing, content creation, why not do that? Because your VA can do that as well. They can create blogs for your website as well. Description, they can research and write weekly blog posts related to your industry to ensure that each post is SEO, which is search engine optimized, for example, and it includes the relevant keywords like healthcare business or nursing agency or care home or home care, domiciliary care, for example, home care services, nursing agency, medical staffing agency, non-clinical agency, for example. So some of the tools needed for this is WordPress, Grammarly, SEO tools like Yoast, for example, is an SEO tool as well. And the desired outcome, high quality post, is a must. And publish every Monday, driving traffic to the website to improve your SEO ranking. So once a week they can do a blog post which is quality content that's going to drive traffic to your website, for example, as well as your Facebook and your social media. So make sure that all your links, that your VA has all the links to be able to use them as and when they need them, for example. So insightful recommendations on tasks that you can delegate is important to free up your time. So once you've created a list, you'll have a clearer idea of what your VA, virtual assistant, is able to help you with. So you can use this list as a starting point when creating job descriptions or doing interviews as well. So what I want you to think about is, what should you do next? And I'm going to ask you a really important question here. I want you to write out all the things that you're currently doing at the moment within your healthcare organization, or that you're paying someone to do for your organization. I want you to write what those job descriptions are. Give yourself about 10 minutes. Just sit and think and say to yourself, right, I've got an administration staff members, I've got a care coordinator, I've got the care manager. Care manager, obviously you cannot outsource that because it is a requirement of Care Quality Commission that they have to be within your organization, for example. So I just wanted to mention that so we don't get any confusion as well. Okay, so create a list so that you've got a really good idea. Do some job descriptions as well, and who do you think your potential VA is, and remember to tailor the task based on the specific need of what they're going to be doing, and they need to have the strength to meet that need in order for you to hire them as well. So Are you ready to streamline your operations and boost your productivity with the help of our virtual assistants? We're offering a free 15-minute consultation where you will be able to get a personalized staff audit, and I will discuss with you how our virtual assistants can help you in your business and take it to the next level. I will do a staff audit and you will get that personalized for you, your organization. So this will meet your individual needs. So what is it that you feel that you would benefit from, for example? Why wait? Because this is your chance to discover the benefits of working with professionals, healthcare professionals. We have nurses, but also we have the virtual assistants at different levels, beginning, level 1, level 2, up to level 6, for example. And we can help you to reduce the workload and improve efficiency. And we can take that off of you because we're here to help you. So we have a very wide range of talents covering from administrative assistant, we've got sales and marketing, lead generation, databases, data mining they call it. We do accounting, bookkeeping, customer service, inbound, outbound calls, website development, graphic and video design as well. We do legal assistance as well, veterinary assistance, for example, dental. We do all care businesses, and we also do project management as well as account management as well. So are you ready to optimize your operations within your healthcare organization by using virtual assistants? It will not only help you in your administrative task, but also specifically we train in healthcare. So our virtual assistants are trained in healthcare business types because it is different. It's not the same. So whether you run a private practice, a clinic, or a healthcare startup, our virtual assistants are here to help you. I understand the unique challenges that you face because I've been there myself, and we want to equip you with the specific needs. You see, when I had my agency many years ago, I've had people tell me that I haven't had an agency and I haven't run a care business and I haven't made 7 figures in my care business, whereas I'm the one that's done it. I know how my business has worked, etc. And I do have the information as well regarding that. I've ran multiple healthcare businesses, 10 or more. I think it's more like 15 healthcare business types, because I wanted to be a coach. I wanted to be able to train healthcare providers to build their own healthcare businesses. And I want them to know that they can do it, because if I can do it, you can do it as well. But it's got to take time, and it's got to take determination, and you've got to put the effort in as well, because you can't just not implement things. You've got to take action with what is being, to grow your business, for example. You've got to take action, but the virtual assistants can help you to do that. And although it's challenging, we're here to help equip you with that support. And like I said, I would have loved to have hired virtual assistants back in 1993, for example, 2001, for example. I would have loved to have done that, because it would have saved me a fortune on office staff. I'm referring to office staff here. I'm not referring to those that are delivering the care, like the carers or the nurses. I'm not referring to that. I'm talking about the staff that are in the office. You need to really do an audit. The business needs to do one to make sure, is this really effective? Can I use this money somewhere else? I.e., give the carers an extra £2 an hour, or give the nurse an extra £3 an hour? Do you really need to have all those staff members in your office? I had loads of them in my office. I remember I had three floors, and there was about 20 staff members in my office alone. And imagine, I was spending that amount of money each month on wages when I could have given it to the community. I could have given it to the staff members delivering the care. I could have, done special events, for example, for the community and for the staff members. I could have said, look, let's go away for the weekend, or you go away for the weekend. We're treating you employee of the month, for example. Let's give you a pamper day. Let's go for a spa day for the weekend. We could use that to do that instead, because that will really help the business grow and help retain your staff members as well. For all of you that do have staff members in your office, look at the cost of what it's costing you. Write down each role and look and say, do you really need to have that person in the office? Can this be outsourced? I'm asking you to do a staff audit and book a free 15-minute with me, and I will give you an expert staff audit where you'll be able to use that for your own organization and identify the areas of where you may need a specialized virtual assistant that can also make an impact on your business to increase. We are healthcare specific, and we provide that support, and that is from patient scheduling, billing, medical transcription, compliance management. Our VAs are trained in lots of intricacies to do with healthcare industry. We're also tailored, and we also will give you a customized plan that outlines what the VAs can help streamline your operations and improve your efficiency.